Duck call?
Yeah. You're so hyper. Let's go back to resort.
Oh. Hey guys, we're at Frontier Lodge. This is Tyler. You're a bit blurry, Tyler. Can I there we go. Okay, now we're in focus. We're on the lake, and yeah, we're at Frontier Lodge. And yeah, so we just got back from leadership training. That was kind of cool. And tomorrow we're headed out on our backpacking trip. So that'll be super fun. And we're here with some other people as well. Guys, wave! Yeah, we're canoeing right now, and yeah, so this was super chill and stuff like that. But yeah, we're leaving at 9 tomorrow for our camping trip, so that'll be awesome. And then yeah, all these guys are actually on my team. This is Teal Team -2.
That is me.
This is Teal Team. Woo! Minus 4. We're missing some people, but that's okay. Wave, guys!
Hello! Hello! Honestly, we're not gonna tip you, I promise. We promise, actually.
We picked up stragglers. There's Keaton.
Hello!
Ben. Matt. Who may or may not have tried to bombard us and flip us over. So we're being very kind right now.
We did not.
That's debatable.
We were never gonna flip them. Ever.
Oh, jeez. How we feeling?
Fantastic.
Great?
Videoing.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm doing awesome.
Yay. Hey Lila. How are you feeling?
Hi. I'm feeling good.
I'm glad. All right.
And I want to jump into the water.
That's fair. How about you, Em?
Me?
Yeah.
I am doing good. This is
Sweet.
quite challenging, but nothing that we can't do.
It's fair, I agree. How about you, Ev?
I'm doing great.
Yay! Ruben, how are you doing? For the video.
I'm doing awesome. This is a really cool spot.
Yes.
Hot and challenging, but I think it's really awesome.
It's true.
It's the best.
Yeah, it's beautiful out here.
Thank you.
So gonna go under.
Abby!
Yeah. Bye.
Well, we made it to the top of the pass, and yeah, we just finished lunch. We had some pitas and hummus and jam. Everyone's sitting here excited that we made it. We're a bit tired because it was a lot of uphill stuff, but from here on out it's mostly downhill, so we're looking forward to more downhill rather than uphill this time. But yeah, it's really beautiful up here. Lots of mountains. We were actually just down there in that valley right there, but yeah, so we climbed all the way up here. It took us a couple hours, and we're hoping to make it all the way down to the other side of the pass, and that'll be about it for today, I think. And then yeah, so that's about the plan for today, I think. We made it all the way down. We were way up there before, but now we're back down here. We made it to a creek. Everyone's here. We're filtering water. Super fun stuff. So we're just taking a break, and then we'll continue on our way to our next campsite. guys. Hey. We are on a journey to get food, and we're in Nordeg. We just got back from our trip today, actually. I don't think I said that yet, but we got back from our backpacking trip. Emily. I just called you Emily. I'm so sorry.
That's fine. That's my almost name.
And Quinn is right there as well.
Quinn's not turning around though.
That's okay. Yeah, so we just went to the restaurant in Nordeg and got some food. We got nachos. Let's take a look. Nachos. Where's the rest? Quinn, you have the rest, right? Yum. Alright, so we got nachos, poutine, and potato skins. And then we're gonna go back and we're gonna study, read some of our book. Yeah, we're gonna have a little study party. This is gonna be fun. I'm excited actually, I'm so hungry. I'm really hungry, even though we just ate pizza, which is really delicious, but we're still hungry, so we're gonna go eat more and study.
Bears eloquent witness to God's majesty. Whoa, that's a little overstepping. This book bears eloquent witness to God's majesty? Okay, sir. Showing us new ways to experience and understand the wonder and power of God's Spirit in our daily lives. A.W. Tozer, oh, he's dead. Sorry, girl, I didn't mean that. Was a popular evangelical, oh, so he definitely didn't write this. I'm sorry, you're not as bad as I thought.
All right, preface.